is April 16th, 7:25 a.m. PST. I'm going to go over how I made $547 across my two PA accounts and how I also managed to make back my $3,000 I lost yesterday. So let's get into it. Okay, so coming into market open, what do we see based off of price action yesterday? Well, coming in market open, we have market open right here on these two candles on the 15-minute time frame. We also have a 15-minute gap above. We have draws above that we would have to take out, London above, London below, Asia below, and a 1 hour gap. So these are just a quick things I would mark out for price to take out one of them and then redirect in the other direction. And so on top of that, on the higher time frame on the 1 hour, so assuming that price was cut off like right around here, so we're looking at all of this stuff, we can assume that price wanted to pull back from this, right? And so what happened was we pushed up and up and up and up forever without really a big pullback, especially from this overnight session. Overnight session pushed up into, this area right here. This area right in here, which is kind of where we tapped in right here. Okay, so what I was thinking was we're either going to continue to push up into overnight London high and continue to take out these draws above. And so the only way I would have been able to take that long was if we broke out of this 15-minute. And so price did do that off open. It faked some people out. You can see we wicked above right at open, but then we just broke it down. And so I didn't take that long because I don't take trades right off of open. I kind of wait to see what price wants to do. And also we were already in a downtrend off of open. You can see right here, we're in a downtrend. And so typically when we're in a downtrend off of open, we're not just going to go long, right? We're going to fake people out and then continue to go lower until we take out the draws below, which are obviously London low, Asia low, and tap into this 1 hour. And if we don't rebound off of this 1 hour to then go higher, right? Break into the 1 hour, a little chop, 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 and then go higher. If we don't do that, then what's going to happen is we're going to break into this 1 hour, chop, 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 and then continue to go lower into these draws right here. And so that was the game plan. I didn't do that necessarily because what I did was I went to the lower time frame. I think it was on the 30-second or something. But I traded this chop right here. Why? Couldn't really tell you. But I was on my PA, and like I said, I was already down $3,000. And so it's not a good habit to want to risk your account when it's down that low. You want to rebuild it back up. But I was like, you know what? I'm willing to take some more risks on this account, or both of my accounts, because I've already gotten 2 payouts on them, and I'm okay if I lose them. I've already made my money back on them. So I took some heavier, risky trades at open. I was on the really low time frame, 15-second, 30-second, whichever one it was, and we can see my chart executions right here. Ignoring these over here, but yeah, right at open, we can see I went short because we had a break of the 15-minute, like I mentioned earlier, and then a clear rejection. Right, so on the 15-second, we had a break of this gap right here to downside targeting London. And so I went short with 40 contracts, 20, and then 20 again, so 93 and then 87. The reason I doubled down on my position is because I got in at 93, right? And then price continued to go lower off this candle right here, which was like a clear sign that the draw was going to get targeted. So I doubled down on my position and I got out at 73. So right around 15 points, give or take. And so that was a banger trade. And then we kind of just bounced around until we took it out, came back up, had a nice rejection again to downside, came back up, rejected, and that's when I got in again to target lower, and you can see I got a little scalp right there. And once we came down to target basically Asia, I got in heavy again, 40 contracts to target this gap right here, equal gaps right in here. It's this blue gap right here, but it's also this black gap right here. So equal gaps right in there, and that's where I got up. You can see 40 long, boom. And those were the quick little scalpy trades I took. I was trying to take a trade right here pre-market, but these trades were just garbage, so I stopped. And that was it. Short, short, long. Just 3 trades. And that allowed me to get my $3,000 back plus $500. Over here on the stats board, we can see my total is $8,500 on the account so far with 2 payouts, which leaves me around $5,300, so my $2,000 drawdown, so it's like right around $3,300. And yeah, a couple trades last night because I couldn't even tell you. That was not last night, that was previous day. And then this was last night into today, so a lot of trades these past couple days. You can see oh yeah, it would have been right here. Yeah, whew. Yeah, not looking good. Big trough, $3,700, and then made my way out. But yeah, hopefully I just need one more day for a payout. Maybe it's today because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I usually leave a gap between my days. Yeah, 4, 5. I don't know, but I just wanted to update any of you who are interested. I have my 3 evals over here that I am copy trading as well. So these are at 52,650. I'm not really trying to push this any further because I'm trying to make 50% consistency. I know it's already 3 days, but it's fine. And yeah, these are all pretty much the same. I know they're a little bit off, but yeah, just wanted to update you on that. Trying to keep the chart green. Not really trying to have any red days in here. And yeah, we can see these accounts are pretty much the same. This one's a little different, 270, and then this one was 343. I think this one was a little different, 567 and 441. So pretty much the same. But with all that being said, if you have any questions about why I was so heavy on those trades, what I was looking for, how I'm keeping my chart green, how I was able to get out of that $3,000 drawdown, anything, please, please, please let me know in the comments below. Drop a like if you've learned anything from here or how I'm, searching for good trades and all that stuff. Ask anything. I'm more than happy to answer them. With all that being said, I'll catch you guys tomorrow if I catch a trade. If not, next week. So peace out there, and I'll catch you all on the next one. Deuces.